simpleng palabas but it's so intellectual and also very deep.
Yung mga ganitong pelikula yung dapat napapanood natin eh.
Mababaw siya kung iisipin, pero malalim yung mensahe.
It's a must movie. Para sa akin, uulit-ulitin ko siya.
Kahit na anong age mo, makaka-relate ka sa movie.
It's really nice. Kaya pala award-winning.
Award-winning to at pinipilahan to talaga.
Oo.
So kaya abangan nyo po.
This coming October 11 po, sabay-sabay tayong manood nationwide.
Monster, ito po yung pelikula na unpredictable.
It's a really, really good movie. I hope everybody could watch it. Ang dami na yung mapupulot na aral dito and it's really surprising how it ends.
Monster!
Monster!
Maybe the monster